Hello everyone, my name is Logan Kumar. I'm from Oswald College. I'm studying business management. Today our trip to South Africa, I found it very informative. We learned a lot of new things about the production lines, about the rejection rate, success rate, when demand is high, when it's low.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning. We expected you guys at 10 o'clock. You're 1 hour late, but it's okay. I will guide you through. Then we'll have a meeting at the conference room up there, a training room, where I'll take you through the corporate policy. Cleaning and organizing of the environment, the working environment as well. That is monitored on a daily basis.
Hi, my name is Keisha Jinnah. I'm from Oswald College. I'm currently doing Business BTech, and we came for this trip at Silcon Africa to learn about the business behind it. So the cost production, the analysis, how the production is within the job training, and the methods of production.
We got to know about the company's history that goes way back, like 50 years ago. It inspired me to be a better, let's say, a better business person. Gave me more ideas that I will use in the future, definitely. Yeah, all in all, I think it was a success, and yeah, we all had a good time.
Kitchens and classrooms, homes and hospitals. We package the food and medicine you trust and keep your family's water clean. Few companies have such positive impact on the lives of millions of people. We're not only driving our own industry, we're also helping our partners take lead in theirs. That's why East Africa's most reputable manufacturing companies choose South Africa for their plastic solutions.
Do you have any questions about what you have seen on our way here, or anything that you want us to do?
So, I saw, like many of the production line stuff over here, the guys were putting some in boxes, some in bags. So the ones in bags, I guess they're the spoiled ones or something. Or
Not really.
there's
Not
not.
really. No. Our rejection rate is less than 1%. So we don't supply packaging. Pricing, again, you have seen, yeah, it's customer driven, so that the customer gives you this component and tells you this is my target. Okay, so you just have to follow by what the customer wants. Because again, our product, the pricing of this product is based on, you have seen the products, they are very light, and the customer wants, don't exceed this weight.
How was the tour? Did you guys learn something new? Like what? What is human resource? Okay. Every manager has to set goals for their team below, and their manager sets the goals for them. I set the goals for the overall business and for myself, and then from the business, then the next level of senior management, I set the goals for them.
There's one other thing. We'd like to acknowledge the managing director and the staff that came and gave us their time to support us and help us out. They were really friendly, showing us around, telling us how everything is produced within the factory, how the products are actually made.
My name is Peter Hombe from Oswald College. I want to say we are very happy with the visit we've made to Sela Africa. What excites me most is the level of involvement of the company in the society. As the managing director have told us that there are a lot of CSR that are being carried in the society. For instance, providing some goods and services at children's homes.
Hi, I'm Tara. It was nice hosting the Oswald College students, the business class, today. It's something that we like doing. We do this whenever there's a chance to mentor the young people, because these are leaders for tomorrow. I mean, they'll replace us at some point. So it's good to share the knowledge that we have, and I've seen a lot of interest from the students, and it's very encouraging to see that they know what they want to do and they are eager to learn.
My name is Mr. Jabs from Oswald College, a student advisor. I'm here to appreciate SEAL Africa for the chance that they gave us to have a corporate visit in their company. It was a fantastic tour. The objective of such tours is always to enable students to create company interface, to interface between what they're studying in class and what actually goes on in the real world. This is an objective that they have achieved, and we thank SEAL Africa so much for this. It has been quite a good visit so far. I thank Mr. Dipesh for helping us to organize this. He was our contact person. We thank him so much, and we hope that the same will continue. I thank also the MD for initiating a program with us of engaging students in innovative ways to come up with innovative ways of creating new products and so on. So we hope that this is something that will continue, and all will be well. Next time, it's going to be a partnership that we started with Oswald College. Thank you.